Hey guys, welcome to TutorialGuru. Today we'll be learning how to log into Bendigo Bank account online on our computer. And now let's dive right in. Now to log into Bendigo Bank account online on your computer, first open up your preferred browser as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and on the search bar, click over there and type in the address bendigobank.com and hit on enter, and then you'll be redirected to the home page of Bendigo Bank. So let's wait for it. And on this interface, guys, this is the home page of Bendigo Bank. Now to log into your account, at the top right corner of the screen you can see there is the login button available for us. Click on the login button over here, and on this interface, guys, enter your access ID, whichever may it be, and after that click on the next button available over here, and after that you'll be required to enter the password of your account. And with that being done, you'll be logged into your Bendigo Bank account online on your computer. And with that being said, guys, this is how to log into your Bendigo Bank account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.